Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete a key from a dictionary in Python. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So there are two common methods of going around with this process. One is of the more generic method, that is using the delete keyword. So all we need to do is we need to specify the del keyword del, and now we need to call the dictionary, and inside the square brackets we just need to write the name of the key. So let's say I have this dictionary of the name mydict, which has a key value pairs of name and age, and certain data is corresponding to it, and I want to delete the data corresponding to the key name. So what I'm going to doing is calling the keyword del, and then I'm referencing the key using the dictionary name. And if I do that, now I just need to print the mydict and just check whether the process is complete. And as you can see, the name keyword no more exists since it's deleted. However, there is a small short-fork problem in this process. Let's say we are trying to search for certain data that is not present inside this dictionary. Likewise, we want to check the gender of the person, and if I do that, and now as you can see, we are getting a key error, that is an exception. So to handle this, we will be making use of another method, that is we will be calling the pop function. So let me just write that down using pop function, and let me just cut the dictionary and paste it right here. So what we are going to do is we are going to make use of the pop function, and the pop function is really simple. First, we will create a variable called as data response, and we will equate it to my dictionary, and we will be using a method called as .pop, and inside this we will obviously be specifying the name of the key that we want to pop, and we'll also be specifying a default argument that returns in case the key is not present in the dictionary. So I will just write saying that key is not present. So it will simply return this string if it does not find the key name present. But likewise, let's change the name of the key as gender, and now first thing is we will print the data response, and let me just comment this print function to avoid confusions. And if I run this, as you can see, it says key is not present. And likewise, if I write a key that is present, name, it just returns the value of the key corresponding to it, and it also deletes that element from the dictionary. So if you'd ask me which method would be a preferred method, I would obviously go with the pop function, since we can provide an argument to return in case the given data is not present inside the dictionary, which is not possible in the case of the del keyword. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.